Okay, so in order to get the mirror off, you got to take the door panel off. And someone's already replaced the door panel in here, so, well, I already just removed the door panel, so I can't show you guys how to remove the door panel on the driver's side, but the passenger side is the exact same way. So we have made a video on the passenger side. So watch the passenger side video on how to remove the door panel. It's the exact same thing for the driver's side. Okay, so fast forward, door panel's off. Your mirror is held on by 3 little number 8s, and this plug right here. There's a little clip right here. You push and you can push and pull. It'll come out. Leave that in there for the time being. The reason why is these are number 8s. You can try doing it with the Phillips screwdriver because it's got a Phillips head. I've been unsuccesssul in getting them because I strip them, so I've been using the number 8. And I would take all 3 of these guys out. Okay, there's these little number 8, these weird looking bolts. Now the mirror won't fall because you have this retainer clip right here that holds the mirror from falling. I usually leave this on just in case this thing's broken for some reason, someone's been in and out of it. You undo all 3 of these, don't realize the mirror goes to fall, this will hold it from falling. So it's got the retainer clip, so just push the little clip and pull. And this is a 3-wire mirror, so it's not heated. The way you tell if it's heated, it'll have 2 black wires. This one does not have 2, so it's just the 3, so it's just up and down motion and side to side. Now these 3 here, you can get a zoom in on that section here. Right here, there's that little clip I was talking about. I don't know if I can get around it. This guy right here. Push down on that, and then it'll slide. The mirror will slide out. You pull it out. And what I like to do if I'm working on the car, put these screws back in the mirror, because if you don't, you're gonna keep looking for these. And these are some special weird threaded looking screws. I mean, they're common, but not so common. We'll put this in inventory. If you guys need this mirror, call.